अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम नादिया आसिफ फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट बेस। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारी कोर्स सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट के होल जर्नी, किस तरह उन्होंने अपनी कंप्लीट जर्नी को सिक्योर किया है फॉर द स्टूडेंट वीजा। टुडे वी हैव अलीजा अख्तर who received her student visa from UAE for Harriet Watt University. So thank you so much Aliza for coming today and sharing your valuable time with us. पहले तो हम आपकी कुछ जर्नी जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह आपने प्लान किया एक अब्रॉड स्टडी का और आपके एक एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड के रिलेटेड एंड जो भी आपका फुल ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस रहा है एज अ स्टूडेंट जो कि चीज़ों को इंस्पायर करते हुए आगे अपना फर्दर करियर परस्यू करना चाह रहा था, उसमें आपका क्या रोल था एंड आपके एडवाइजर्स का किस तरह रोल प्ले हुआ है?
I am from an A-levels background. I was a medical student, but after A-levels, when I got my grades, I consulted with you that मतलब मेरे grades बहुत बुरे आए हुए थे, right? You advised that medical wasn't really my subject, and I should pursue something else or related to medical, right? उसके बाद Canada was my first priority, but after my student visa rejection, we went for Dubai, UAE. You got options for me, like for universities. In सब के बाद I decided कि Harriet Watt was like a very well-known university. Plus you advised me that architect was really, a really good subject for me. For my experience, I think at first every student has a problem adjusting in a new university. But with time, I made friends. I have a Russian and an Azerbaijani friend. With them, I really now enjoy my university life. Even my teachers, they're really good. They're friendly.
So, Aliza, अभी आपने mention किया that your brother is also studying with you. तो एक और चीज़ मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि अलीज़ा ने जब अपना प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करवाया तो साथ में इनके बाकी 2 सिबलिंग्स भी हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड थे, तो थोड़ा सा वो नहीं अवेलेबल हो सके, बट अलीजा आई थिंक कैन एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स एज वेल, स्पेशली द यंगेस्ट वन महानूर। तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस स्टूडेंट बेस के साथ स्पेसिफिकली किस तरह का रहा है? क्योंकि इश्तियाक ने पहले जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अपनी स्टडीज की हुई थी एंड देन ही डिसाइडेड मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द हैरियट वाट ना, and then Mahnur. So will you be able to describe those things to us as well कि उनकी क्या expectations थी, और अब जब आप तीनों siblings माशाल्लाह से एक ही साथ एक ही country में affiliated हैं, but जो मानूर है वो remote Fortnite, she is really happy as far as I know. So what do you think? आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे इस पर?
महानूर का जो एडमिशन था वो बिल्कुल अनएक्सपेक्टेड था and it was all Nadia. She applied to the universities and I don't know, it was her, like she secured admission in Dubai and wherever she is today. Even for me, I don't think I would have gotten an admission in Harriet Watt because of my grades, but it was Nadia. She tried her best and she got me an admission like in this university.
And what about Ishaq?
Ishtiaq, after he moved from Australia to UAE, like Nadia applied in Harriet Watt for him for engineering. At first, we thought that he's gonna continue with foundation program that is like for 6 months.
Yeah.
But then I think you applied for him for advanced program.
Yes.
And he just finished with his foundation like in December, and now he's gonna start with his first year from January.
Yes.
So yeah, it was really like the best experience working with Nadia.
All right. अलीजा, मैं एक और चीज़ जानना चाहूँगी कि जैसे बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं, right? As most of the people are watching you, even parents are seeing you today where you are right now, and mashallah, you are completely happy with the things you are having in UAE and from the university and the teachers and the diversity you are talking about. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि एक एडवाइजर, एक काउंसलर, एक स्टूडेंट के उस जर्नी में क्या रोल प्ले करता है, और क्या अगर कोई ये एडवाइजिंग सिचुएशन नहीं अवेल करता है तो क्या वो भी इसी तरीके से सारी चीजें कवर कर पाएगा, या फिर इट इज रियली नेसेसरी, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रोल दे नॉर्मली प्ले? If you talk about the student base, तो आपको लगता है कि अगर कोई स्टूडेंट बेस के साथ एज एडवाइजिंग पर्सन लेकर चीजों को चलता है तो विल बी दे एबल टू गेट द थिंग्स दे वांटेड टू?
Yeah, every student needs an advisor because, like, we are talking about your future here. So you need to consult with an advisor for your degree, for your interest, plus the university. It's really necessary because that's your future. You can't like change your university in future after you're like enrolled there, right?
Correct.
So yeah, advisor is really necessary.
And what was your parents' reaction when you got to know that, oh my god, we all three are admitted to that university and now we got the visa as well and we can pursue our studies over there? What was the reaction? What was the feeling you were having? And do tell us something about your parents as well. Were they satisfied? Were they like, oh my god, Aliza, okay?
Yeah, they were quite surprised, but they were really happy because we three are like together in UAE. That's like, yeah, for universities, obviously every parent wants their like child to be in a good university with a good degree. Yeah, they were quite happy.
ऐसा कोई like moment था for the whole journey जहाँ पे आपको लगा या कोई ऐसा setback आया कि you were thinking, no, I will continue my studies in Pakistan and will not move towards any other country now anymore, and for your siblings as well?
Yeah, like after my father consulted with you, we kind of like, we were like really happy that finally we're not going to be studying in Pakistan because we really needed a foreign environment, a university that was known worldwide, because Harriet Watt's degree is like, you know, a really highly recognized degree, right?
जैसे okay, that's a really nice point you got to us. अब जब आप university level पर आ गए हो, right? Because a few months back you were in A and O level.
Yeah.
So now what do you recommend students who are deciding for their studies abroad? कि university की जो life होती है, whether it is UAE, Canada or UK, तो उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है और उसमें कौन कौन सी चीजें देखनी चाहिए कैंडिडेट को जिसके बेसिस पे उसको डिसाइड करना है कि उसकी स्पेसिफिक कंट्री कौन सी होनी चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ अप्लाइंग टू ईच एंड एवरी कंट्री एट द सेम पॉइंट?
Okay, so A levels or O levels, say, student life is really different because like, to be honest, in A levels I studied in Cedar College, right, for my A1. So during the classes, it was like the teachers used to come, they used to present the whole thing, and then we're gonna like consult with some other advisor, even in the college, right? But in university, it's like you're gonna meet with different people. You're gonna have the teachers who are gonna like, you know, look into every single thing you have in front of them. Like when I got the rejection, I didn't have any option. I was like, I'm done. I'm gonna study in Pakistan. But you should keep 2 to 3 options for your future, a backup option as well, so that if you get a disappointment, you have another option to jump to. So yeah.
Aliza, these are a lot of things we have got from you today, and these are really insightful things, and we are really great. Student base actually is very grateful that you all three are now in your desired university and the programs as well. क्योंकि मुझे याद है कि स्टार्टिंग में जब इश्तियाक आए थे तो he was very confused actually कि वो इंजीनियरिंग करना चाह रहे हैं या फिर इंजीनियरिंग से कंप्लीट फील्ड अपनी स्विच करना चाह रहे हैं. तो मुझे उसमें थोड़ा सा मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी ताकि हमारे जो एस्पायरिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको भी आइडिया हो कि जो एडवाइजर उनके पास अवेलेबल होता है उस टाइम पे वो कितना ज़्यादा इनके लिए फर्दर प्लान्स के लिए रोल प्ले कर रहा होता है. जैसे स्टूडेंट बेस के एडवाइजर ने इटसेल्फ स्टूडेंट बेस ने गाइड किया इश्तियाक को रिलेटेड टू हिज कनेक्टिविटी same and putting him into the same field he wanted to in the very first place, जहाँ पे वो confused भी हो गए थे to because of the setback. तो वहाँ पे आपको क्या लगता है कि student ways ने throughout the journey for इश्तियाक as well because he is the elder one ना, तो उनके लिए क्या चीजें प्ले की थी स्टूडेंट बेस ने? अदर देन दैट कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप बताना चाहेंगे रिलेटेड टू स्टूडेंट बेस एंड फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स साइड एज वेल, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली we won't be able to connect with them today, but you are here and we are so grateful for your time. So yeah.
My brother, he was kind of confused because after he came back, he was like, he might change his degree, right?
Yeah.
But after he came here to student base, he was advised that he was kind of, he wasn't that motivated. But when he came here at student base, he was more motivated. He was like, no, I want to continue with my degree. So that's what every student needs, a motivation. And that's what an advisor provides you with a motivation, with ideas, with, with variety of options. So like a student needs to decide the option, but an advisor kind of, makes up your mind to something. And an advisor knows what's better, what's best for you after you consult with them. Yeah. So yeah, like, because of student base, my brother is now studying like in this engineering program because he kind of wanted to switch to business, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was quite like motivational for him because he kind of, made up his mind for the same degree.
And if we jump to Mahanur, your mother was really concerned about Mahanur instead of you two, Edna, really.
Yeah.
Which is a complete reality, guys. Because I have also personally talked with your mother and she was really concerned about her. So what was her reaction, your mother's reaction? I really want to know because I haven't met her yet till now. So I really want to know that was she satisfied by each and everything which was done by the student ways, and what was her experience specifically? Because मोस्टली मदर्स का ऐसा होता है कि वो अपनी बेटियों के मामले में बहुत ज्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है कि whether they are going in the right place and in the right program or not, चाहे उनका डिजायर्ड प्रोग्राम बच्चों को मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है. तो उसके रिलेटेड थोड़ा सा आप मुझे हाईलाइट करें चीजें.
Okay, so after Ishtaq and I, we got the admission. It was Mahanur. And she was really concerned about her, and then she contacted here in student base to you. So she wanted her to be in a program as well because, she thought that maybe she's not going to join from September session. She thought it's going to be next year. And she's 18, I guess. So she wanted her to join a university at the right age. Like you said, every mother is sensitive, like, for her daughter, obviously, yeah. So after she contacted you, student base kind of, worked on this thing, and I think after 2 to 3 days we got to know that she has gotten an admission in DMU.
Yeah. And she was like, oh my god.
Yeah, we were like surprised, and she was so happy. She was like, we couldn't believe it. It was because it was impossible for us. We never imagined that she's gonna get admission in September session. So plus my mother, she was like, finally my third child is also settled now. So it was, she was really happy. Plus my father as well. Yeah.
So Aliza, now we will cut to the end. One more question from our side, that as you mentioned कि Mahanur was an introvert person. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जब बच्चे बाहर मूव करने जा रहे होते हैं तो वहाँ पे पेरेंट्स का कितना रोल होता है सपोर्टिव कि वो अपनी चीज़ों को फर्दर सेफली एंड सिक्योरली एंड ट्रस्टेड परस्यू कर सकें? अनदर थिंग इज कि कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आप स्टूडेंट बेस के बताना चाहेंगे जो हम कवर नहीं कर सके, या आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उसको आपके पेरेंट्स की तरफ से?
For Mahanur, I think the biggest role that our parents played was that Mahanur is introvert, right? Like, she didn't make friends.
One more thing, do you really think that for the whole process, even someone is going for the master's program, for the undergraduate or whatsoever, they are going to another country. They are moving far from Pakistan and they won't be able to meet and see their parents on daily basis. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि पेरेंट्स का वहाँ पे कनेक्टिविटी और एक ट्रस्ट और सपोर्ट जो होता है, एक मोरल सपोर्ट, वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है टू कीप द किड काम एंड सिक्योर ओवर देयर?
So for us, we are in UAE, right? So it's not that far from Pakistan, but still when my brother was in Australia and with all that experience, I think our parents don't live with us, right? They are in Pakistan, but we talk on daily basis. We're like on video call, and they're like literally they're like telling us that how good we are here. They're like kind of telling us that we're doing good in Dubai. We're kind of taking care of ourselves. So that's really important, because when a parent really assures you, that kind of
satisfaction.
yeah, that kind of really satisfies you, and you're like really calm. Plus my sister, she has never lived away from my mother. She has been really close to her, but my mother, she's like really taking updates from her, and that's kind of a support you need from a parent, the update. So I think that's really important. Yes.
Thank you so much, Aliza, for coming today and giving us your valuable time. And we all hope कि Aliza, इस्तियाक और महानूर अपनी तमाम जर्नी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह माशाल्लाह से कंप्लीट करें, and we will be very happy seeing you graduate from there, and then we will be moving you towards any other country wherever you want.
Okay. Inshallah.
Inshallah. So this was Aliza, and we will be sharing more stories with you as soon as possible. और यहाँ तक आज का दिन तमाम होता है. सीरीज के साथ हम फिर हाजिर होंगे. Thank you.